In this video, we will learn what is CPM on YouTube and why the CPM is important. CPM stands for cost per mille. It is the amount that advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. For example, an advertiser pays $2 for every 1,000 views. Then the total revenue for 1 million views would be $2,000. $2,000 is a nice amount to get for every 1 million views. But, here is a twist. $2,000 is the total earnings before YouTube's share. And the YouTube share is 45% of your total earnings. So, YouTube will keep $900 from $2,000. Now, subtract 900 from 2,000, and you will get your share, which is $1,100. Why is CPM important? CPM is the amount paid to YouTube by advertisers. The more they pay, the more revenue your videos will generate. High CPM depends on some factors. High-value videos. Videos with high value will get ads with a high cost per click. That ultimately increase the earnings of the channel. Length of video. Video should not be too short or not too long. Channel size is also a factor for high CPM. Your niche or industry. If your content is amongst the highest paid YouTube niche, then you will definitely earn more. Niche like finance, real estate, marketing, health, technology reviews, insurance, etc. are highly paid on YouTube. Creating offensive content affects CPM of your videos. Audience age. Advertisers want to attract the potential folk with money. That's why they focus more on high spenders age group 25 to 60 years. Geographic location. Advertisers promote their services and products to specified areas. If you live in a place where disposable income is less, then the advertiser from large economy country will not show his expensive items ads on your video. That will affect CPM. You can earn high CPM just by living in a specific country. Content for children. Videos made for kids usually have low CPM, as kids are not the target audience. They are not breadwinners, that's why advertisers are not willing to pay much on these channels. Ad types. Video ads secure a higher CPM than display ads, because viewers can't easily escape a video advertisement.